I was definitely nervous.
Glad nie geweet wat om te verwag nie.
It was easier than I thought. I led a man to the Lord.
I saw a granny who could not hear properly.
I saw a lady delivered from demonic dreams.
I saw a young man with a crushed spirit find hope.
I saw a little boy being freed from torment.
I saw life coming upon that entire family.
We saw people being delivered and healed.
I saw a young boy that was moved by the Spirit and broke down from regaining his hearing.
Ke bone Modimo a tlisa kgotso le tshepo maphelong a batho haholo ha re qala re fihla malapeng a bona.
Ke bone batho ba pholoswa dibeng tsa bona mme ba tshwarelwa ke Morena Jesu.
This has been a phenomenal outreach into Lesotho, and one of the most outstanding things about it has been how that God has used people that perceive themselves as being ordinary people who don't stand with a mic in their hands on a Sunday, and God used them to cast out demons, to heal sick people, deaf ears, blind people. It's been incredible to see how God used ordinary Christians like you sitting in the pews and in the chairs today, and God can and will use you if you make yourself available.
In this trip, God used me and stretched me in a way that I never thought was possible in my life.
Throughout the entire mission, I saw hope being restored.
God definitely took over. Every step was ordered by him.
This week was an inspiring week.
This trip definitely strengthened my faith.
This experience changed me. Thought I was going to bring love here, but it was the other way around.
Dis ongelooflik om te sien hoe die Heilige Gees deur my gewerk het.
Ka nnete re bone mosebetsi wa Modimo ho rona.
Hierdie ondervinding het absoluut my lewe verander.
Nka kgothaletsa batho ba tle mission.
Ek het so baie mense gesien wat harte vir die Here gee. God is good.